In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold in Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing a project, tracking tasks, or building a simple list, using bold text is a great way to make important information stand out. It helps your team quickly see what matters most, like headers, deadlines, or priority items. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through how to apply bold formatting to your text directly inside Smartsheet. First, start by opening a sheet in Smartsheet. This can be any sheet you're working on, a project plan, a task tracker, a content calendar, or even a simple to-do list. Make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and choose the sheet where you want to apply the formatting. Once the sheet is open and you can see your rows and columns, you're ready to move on. Next, look toward the top of the Smartsheet window for the main toolbar. Up there, you'll see an option labeled Format. This is where you'll find all your basic text styling tools. Click on the Format menu to reveal the formatting options. This area is similar to what you might see in a word processor or a spreadsheet program, and it controls how your text looks in the sheet. Now, decide what you want to bold. You can select a single cell, multiple cells, or even an entire row or column depending on what you need. To select a single cell, just click on it once. To select several cells, click and drag over them, or hold down your modifier key and click each cell individually. If you want to format a whole header row or a specific column so it stands out, click on the row number or column letter to highlight the entire area. Take a second here to make sure you've selected exactly the text or table area you want to change. With your text or table selected and the Format menu open, look for the bold option, usually represented by a capital letter B. It's typically located near other basic formatting icons like italics and underline. Click on the bold button or the B symbol and you'll see your selected text immediately become thicker and darker. That's your visual confirmation that the bold formatting has been applied. If you ever need to remove the bold style, simply select the same cells again and click the bold button once more to toggle it off. This way, you can quickly emphasize or de-emphasize information as your sheet evolves. And that's all you need to know to bold text in Smartsheet and make your key information stand